to show you guys this dress up set that I received from the company. This is everything that you need for imaginative play. My 3-year-old is really into it, and it's been just sparking a lot of imagination and hours of fun and enjoyment and play. This is like the police outfit. You can see they're made of different material depending on which one it is. This one, the police officer is like more of a plastic type so they could play outside, almost like a rain jacket would be, which I really think is great so that I don't have to worry about the weather. My daughter is 3. She's small for her age, and they are a little big. So I do think that like you could start around 3. But for like the pants, they need to be rolled up for the length or cut. But I think it's also nice that they can grow into the pants. There's the police officer, the construction worker, a doctor's outfit. This one is made out of like scrub cotton material, so it feels different. Yeah, you can feel how different it is. There's also like a waitress or cook chef outfit, which is cute, and it even comes with this like little shirt that goes underneath it with the collar. So I think that's really fun. She also likes the accessories, like the fire officer has the fire extinguisher. It does also come with this box, which is great because then you can store everything. So definitely recommend this. I think this is like a really great value. You get a ton of stuff and really fun imagination.